Hi everyone, I hope all are fine. This is my new YouTube channel. My name is Shabna. I was born in the hilly region of Kerala, East Kodancherry. A lot of everyone would say suffering and hardship it grew up. So I studied and became a nurse, still continuing work. I'm married, Mr. Shafiq. I have two children, elder one, Master Afla, studying in 5th standard. Youngest one, Master Afnan, studying in UKG. Those in our house are my mother-in-law, my husband and my children. I thought that some traditional recipes can be included in this channel and some views of our country. Looking forward to support and your love. A lot of love. Thank you all. Bye.